Hello, my name is Amit Kumar and my roll number is 20CS30003. I have developed four parts of Iron Man face. This is the first part. As you can see, this is the half of the head part which you are seeing here. I have developed this by different tools like sketching, padding, revolving, uh, modifying, shelling, fillets, and etc. The most important part was shelling option by which I created hole inside it, and the second part is another half of the head which you are seeing over here like this. This also has been made with similar features, uh, and but different design, of course different design. Now comes the third part, which is the face part. Let me show you face first. Here it is. Yes, here this is the face part. Half of the eyes will be like there will be no eyes, of course. There will be an empty space for the eyes, and this is the face part, cheeks and mouth, which you can see here. Also, the revolve and shell option here has played a very important role. Now comes the fourth part, which is the most easy for the ears. As shown in the movie, it is like rings. So I have developed two rings, which will act as ears for it. I haven't made all the parts together because I don't have that particular software to make all the parts at one place. So here are its different part. Thanks.